Hello everyone, good to see you on the channel, and let's continue to learn about Google Sheets. Today we are continue talk about formatting conditional. I wanna show you one interesting example what you can use in real situation. For example, from our previous lesson we have a table and we have additional column with availability of this laptop in our store. For example, we have 5 laptops, 3 laptops, and so I filled this column with quantity sum of laptops in our store. How many laptops we have, a few quantity, and what laptops we don't have at that time. That's why we can manually highlight some of our rows to find this, but imagine that we have hundreds of these laptops and it's manually work, it's not so convenient. So in that situation we can use conditional formatting. I select all this range, OK, and all cells is highlighted to the green because we have format rules. That means is not empty. If this cell is not empty in our range, then that format is highlighted to that color. But I want change custom formula is, and in that field I can write my own formula. Equal, we have to see to that column. That's why I write B and B equal 0 and red color. Done. But I wanna highlight only this row where formula have found 0 laptops. And for solve this issue I have to edit my conditional format rules with using sign dollars. Done. And now it's work correct. And we have to know about low quantity. For example, we have laptops only in one quantity, HP ProBook we have only 2. We must know how many position in less quantity. I add another rule, custom formula. So if I have less than 3 quantity of the product of the laptop, I highlight it into yellow. Let's imagine another situation when I want so many laptops, more than 10, then it's green. So I have 3 rules that helps me to understand in fast way what quantity of some of laptops. For example, we sold all this laptop 0, and in automatic way it is highlighted to the red. And another interesting thing, if you have a big table with many laptops or another things, you should insert filter for all these columns, and for example filter by color, red, and you filter only red laptops what you have to buy, because if you have hundreds rows you don't need to scroll it down and find this position. It's not so convenient. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and write down some comments. I can help you with your situation. And exactly go to see another video about Google Sheets, what you see on your screen now.